Yo, you know what's so funny? This right here is actually my YouTube channel. I was just going through my old videos and I'm like, dang, bro! Like the way that Allah plans your life is actually beautiful. So this right here was actually me in the forest when I used to be in the forest making videos that no one actually watched. Four videos, 18 views, 18 views, 21 views. This one is 57 views, 66 views. But you know what's so funny? If you just keep going down, this is when you start seeing the videos that I used to make when I was such a little baby, 2014, 2016. I used to call myself Mo 80. I'm like, Mo 80 is back. This is so funny, man. And then you keep seeing, I used to basically make gaming videos. This was one of my favorite games. 3,000 views. For me was like, yeah, it was something crazy, man. But these videos, bro, if you were to watch them, you're just gonna be like, who the heck is this kid? This kid is so annoying. Even when I would watch these old videos of myself, I'm like, this kid is so annoying. I mean, look at this. And look, I used to make such like these faces, and I used to make my own thumbnails. Bro, I was such an annoying kid. And especially this video right here. It actually had 4 reviews. What? I swear I thought, no, you know what? It wasn't even this one. It was and then there's this video I actually made. I was let me actually just show you this, okay? The reason why I'm showing this to you is I just want to show you how, like, I mean, Allah always has the best plan for you, and you can't even you yourself you can't even like if whatever plan you have, Allah is always gonna make you the best plan. And I'll teach you how to basically flow with the will of Allah, just so that instead of you following your own plan, you follow Allah's plan. And 100% of the time, Allah's plan, if you follow it, you're just gonna have like 1,000x automatically. I made a video about how to open Google. That's how annoying I was. But I just want to see this one video right here. This is so funny, bro. So I made this project back in the day. I had to play it till 16 just because there was like a girl that I didn't really want to show in this video. I was in a school project, like we were doing a group, and the teacher told us he put me, a girl, and one of my best friends in a group together, and he told us make a video of a music video. So then I made this video right here. So this was me back in the day, bro. Look at this. This was how I used to move like this. It's so funny, bro. I'm so funny, man. Look at me. Look at this little kid. Dang, man. Did I? My brows actually stayed the same. Yeah, my brows stayed the same. But yeah, bro, with a beard, I was like, I just farted. This was 10 years ago. I picked a song called "I Just Farted." I don't even know why. And this was actually my one of my good friends of back in the day. I made him like, and this was me trying to hold my fart. But anyway, Allah's plan is always the best. Your plan, like, bro, it doesn't even compare it to Allah's plan. But you can see right here, like, I used to make YouTube videos since all the way back in not even 2014. I used to make videos way before 2014 because I had, like, it says 2013, but I believe I started in 2011. So as soon as I came to Canada, for some reason I was just drawn to this whole YouTube thing. And the reason why that happened is because something happened in middle school where I said something that was bad, and I was just like I was a new student where I didn't even know Arabic. I didn't know, well, no, I knew Arabic, but I just didn't know English. So when people would talk to me, I wouldn't even understand what they're saying. So I would just be like, yeah, yeah, yeah. So like they would ask me anything. They would be like, "Are you like a dum dum?" I would be like, "Yeah," because I don't even know what that means. So I'd just be like, "Yeah." So then I was known as the kid that was like not that smart, even though I was actually smart. I was just known as not being that smart. So what happened is that when I was in school, I wasn't really like I didn't want to blend with the other people. So I would go home and I would play video games and I would watch YouTubers that would make videos on video games. So I'm like, bro, this whole YouTube thing is so interesting. And so as a result, I started making videos on video games. And so I really, really enjoyed this. Like, look at this, bro. I used to make videos that get no views at all. And I would even make like some songs and stuff, but like videos with no views. Except this one, the most boring and relaxing video. This was actually one of my greatest hits, 13,000 views. There's another one, this one, 68,000 views. Dang, I just realized that was 68,000 views. Dang, little me was getting 68,000 views, which is nothing, right? It was nothing. But I was so drawn to this whole YouTube thing, so I would be making YouTube videos. Like I would finish school, I would go back home and I would just make YouTube videos. But then my parents, they told me, stop with this whole YouTube thing. This would get you no income. This would get you no future. So then they told me just keep focusing on school. So I kept focusing on school, but then still something kept drawing me to basically to like doing something online. So here's the thing, bro. Allah's plan. So you know how you're going to be planning? Allah is also planning. And Allah's plan is almost always better than yours. But how are you going to know that something is a part of Allah's plan? Here's the thing. Like second year university, I kept getting this inkling in my heart where I was like, bro, I need to start making money. Which is so funny because the year before that, I had no intention of making money. I didn't even know what honestly, bro, I didn't even know what money was. Like I knew what money is, but like if someone told me they make $1,000 a month, I would be like, wow, that's amazing, bro. I thought $1,000 a month was a lot. So I knew nothing about how money works, what money is, but something kept telling me you need to go and make money. Just like a natural desire that came to me. And that's the thing. Even I think Rumi used to say something like that. It would be like those desires that you have within you, like those intentions, those goals that you want to go and achieve. If you have such a goal, it's not just coming from you. It's actually coming from Allah to you. So this is like something that Allah wants for you. So if you're getting a desire in your heart where you want to go and you want to make like I don't know, like $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, like just becoming rich. If you're getting such a desire, it's because Allah is putting that desire in you. So, which means you need to be acting upon this desire because if you don't act upon it, you're not acting upon the plan of Allah. So, then that's the thing, right? So, I would be making all these videos back then. This was how to make a professional Minecraft thumbnail. A lot of people tell me my thumbnails are good when like there's effort into them. And I used to be into thumbnails a long time ago, even though I don't even make my own thumbnails right now. But this is the thing, like, you see how I used to make YouTube videos? Bro, I look back at my life right now and it's almost like Allah is teaching me how to make content. So then what's so funny is that when I finished university, I immediately got into online business. So I would do dropshipping, I would make websites, I would learn copywriting, I would do all these, like, I would do ads, I would do all these things. And it's like, it's literally like it was Allah making me go through these things just to teach me something. So if you right now, Habibi, because I'm pretty sure all of you guys have a desire to do something, and then you're basically in like an online business, you're doing an online business, you're working on a skill, you're just doing something, right? So if you're looking at your life right now and you're seeing things in your life, whatever those things are, like you making videos, you flipping burgers and all that stuff, understand that nothing in your life is in your life right now by accident. Everything is in your life right now on purpose. Think about it, bro. If Allah, who created so many hair strands on my arm, like every hair strand is put in a specific position, not by accident, it's put in a specific position. Isn't the one that created all of this entire body, this entire mind, this entire world on purpose is going to create like someone like you and putting things in your life by accident in you, like in your own life? That's impossible. So Allah's putting things in your life right now. Allah's basically giving you signs to assist you with whatever desire you have. So the things that are in your life right now, none of them are by accident. And you need to start paying attention to all of these things. Like if I paid attention, if I knew this whole knowledge back then, where I was like, the things in your life are there on purpose, they're not by accident, and I would actually like pay attention to those things, I would realize I'm like, wait, bro, I am sitting on acres of diamonds. I'm literally sitting on acres of diamonds. Like you understand, if you want to make $100,000 a month, all the tools that you need to make $100,000 a month are already there. They're all there. Because if they weren't there, then you wouldn't have this inclination, this desire to go and make such amount of money. So the fact that you have such a desire, it just means all the stuff that you need to achieve that goal are already there. I mean, think about it. As soon as I started thinking of like, okay, now I need to like reach 300K a month, 500K a month, like just whatever number, that number doesn't even matter. As soon as like I started thinking I'm like I need to get richer, I look at my life with an open awareness and I'm like everything is there. And it's so funny because even back in the day when I wanted to make $1,000 a month, everything was still there. When I wanted to make $10,000 a month, everything was still there. So whatever goal you want, whatever goal you're trying to achieve, if you're trying to achieve a certain goal, all the tools that you need are already in your life, which is so beautiful. Nothing in your life right now is by accident. All of it is on purpose. This is why they say there's a whole book. It's called Acres of Diamonds, a very old book right here. And this person, like, I just saved you a whole time, hours of you not reading this book, because all this book says is just that you are sitting on acres of diamonds. There is nothing, there is nothing that is in your life right now that's by accident. You can use everything in your life right now to achieve your goal. You are at this moment standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. Your diamonds are not in far distant mountains or in yonder seas, they are in your own backyard, if you but dig for them. And this is what I mean by Allah's plan is always better than your plan. Because Allah's plan is already here. It's already here. I keep telling you guys, like, the way Allah works is that Allah works in the present moment, because the past is a figment of your own imagination. Like, every moment, everything renews and it's always fresh. So then, if you're just stuck in your mind, then you're stuck in the past. So even like you watching this video, like there's a word that says ephemeral, like things move and you can't repeat those things. Nothing can be repeated the same exact way. So the past is just stuff in your mind, bro. So if you're constantly like stuck here, then you're stuck in the past. You're not even living in the present. But the moment you start living in the present, that's the moment that you start realizing that, like, Allah, Allah's plan is here. All I need to do to follow Allah's plan is just focus on what's here right now, like right now. And I'm repeating it because I mean right now and right now, like always in this now, always in this now. So if you just look at this now, everything you need is already here. And that's the beauty. It just requires like a greater awareness from you for you to realize that everything that I need is already here. And then once you realize that, bro, like this requires so much repetition for people to realize it, because people are they're so sleep. Everybody is like going through life as if like they're sleepwalking. Everybody. But then once you have this awakening, like when you wake up, you're just like, bro, where have I been all these years, all these moments? Because all these past moments, you've been living the world, coloring every new moment with stuff that happened from the past. Like, Habibi, your mind is such a liar. Your mind is your biggest deceiver, your biggest liar. It's been telling you all these like waswasa, and you've been listening to it all along. So you've had all these like your life has been passing through, and you're not even the one that's writing it. It's just your mind not even your mind, bro. It's just shaitan giving you all this waswasa, and you keep listening to it. So the entire time it's like you're just asleep. You're just asleep. So then the moment you wake up, the moment you're just like, oh my god, bro, like I missed out on so much of life because all of it is just here. And so you don't need a bunch of money. You don't need like luxury and stuff like that. It's just the fact that you can be awake right now and then realize that Allah's plan is always here, and that if you want to follow Allah's plan, look at the desire that you have in your heart right this very moment, and then look at the moment, like what's in your moments right now, and then realize that whatever's in your moments right now is everything that you need to achieve your goal. Think about it, bro. We have people nowadays who become viral on TikTok, and then like they just start making a bunch of money all of a sudden. But isn't it so funny? Isn't it so funny that the same people that are always scrolling on TikTok are the ones that eventually, when like the cards are right, then they get viral on TikTok. And it's so funny because all along they were on TikTok. And it's just that when they realize that, wait, like now I need to start making money, somehow like something comes into their mind where they're just like, maybe I should start making some TikTok videos, and then they go viral. Which is so funny because all of you guys that are watching my videos right now, like, where are you watching them on? You're watching them on a laptop, right? Or you're watching them on a phone. So it's like the same thing you're using to watch me is the same exact thing that you can use to make more money if that was your goal. If that was your goal. Which is so funny. You'll find like the best tools to use are the ones that were always there all along. And you just never noticed them because your awareness was so low. Because the entire time you were asleep. Because the entire time you were just listening to the waswasa in your mind. So that's the thing. This is the simplest way I can give it for you. And it's that you have a plan, but Allah always has a bigger plan for you. So Allah's plan, the way you find it, look at the desires that you have in your heart. And the way you execute on this plan Look at the present moment. The present moment will give you all the data, all the information that you need on what to do to achieve that desire, which is so funny, bro. It's literally the funniest thing in life, man. And by the way, this used to exist even back in the day, even back when we didn't have phones, when we didn't have laptops. Like the things that you need to make money are always the things that are always here. I told you, life, all of it is a paradox. All of us are looking for the next information, looking for the next video, looking for the next thing so we can like finally achieve our goal. But the entire time, it's here. This is what's so funny, bro. But anyway, this video is so funny, man. This was me back in the day making YouTube videos. And then who would have known like YouTube for me was like the thing that I guess is like my calling. I don't even know, bro. But this is the funny thing. By the way, this is not even. This is the very first video I've made on this on YouTube. But this is not actually not even my first video. So it's not even a micro video. I used to make videos way before that. So even though this says 2013, Habibi, I'm on YouTube like way before 2013, and now I'm back.